This is a Black Brothers 40C tabletop glue spreader. It does have the double roll top attachment, 8-inch by 4-inch roll, good grooves. This machine came out of a trade school. It's powered by a 1/12 horsepower single phase motor. And demonstrate how it works. If you are edge gluing, you're simply going to hold your edge on the roll and follow it through. If you are going to glue a face, you simply lift this up. You do have several different heights that you can set it at. This does not have a ton of use. This is your cover for your glue. But if you look, they have rolled this edge. These are slotted, and this is what rubs up against your roll and gives your mill thickness. So it is essentially like your scraper and your guide all built into one. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.